For the queen of Chutney, Savita, Savita.
Singing sensation Savita Singh is going to Travelspan and Amrals Curry Duck and Duck Curry Cooking Competition in St. Martin from July 27th to August 1st. Travelspan and Amrals does it again, always on the cutting edge with new ideas and new destinations. In 2021, the competition was in Punta Cana. In 2022, it was in Cancun. From July 27th to August 1st, 2023, the competition will be in St. Martin with Savita Singh and Bollywood crossover stalwart Vijay Ramkissoon, plus Shalia Bastio, Ariana, DJ Turbulence, Tassa, and much more. This is an all-inclusive vacation with your cuisine, your music, and your fun, brought to you by Travelspan and Amrals Travel. Guests are going from all parts of the US, Canada, Trinidad, Guyana, and Europe. In New York, call at 212-243-0865. In Trinidad, call 868-645-1604. In Guyana, call 227-1701. In Canada, call 647-557-6200.